This is a game changer, y'all. If you have little kids in your house, and even if you don't, this Magic Tap liquid dispenser is a game changer. Just push up against the blue thing. This thing even has a locking mechanism built in it, so the kids can't just get a drink anytime. All they do is take their cup or their glass, press it up against the blue lever, and it automatically dispenses. Takes two AA batteries. It's like having your own fountain drink machine in your house. Most of us have kids. Worry about them taking out containers of milk, especially the heavier containers, or juice, and we're worried about it spilling it all over the floor. These Magic Tap dispensers actually come with two different size bottle settings. They're plastic silicone, so they can just about fit over anything. You have this size, which will fit this bottle. Then you have an even smaller size up above it in case the bottleneck is just a little smaller. It actually has a locking mechanism, so say you don't want your kids actually hitting it by accident, you slide it over. When you push up against it, it does nothing. But once you slide this back over to the side, it allows the juices to flow. Takes two AA batteries. Batteries not included. All they have to do is go in the refrigerator, open the door, push their glass up against the little blue lever. The batteries make the pump start working, and it starts dispensing the juice. Voila, your kids have juice. You can do this with milk, juice, pop, whatever the container is, this will actually get you covered. So no more spilled milk all over the kitchen floor when your kids want to get a drink. Believe it or not, this liquid bottle dispenser is changing lives, folks. This one actually has two different unique bottle settings. It fits most bottles. Inside, as you can see, there is a pump that actually pumps the fluid up. It takes two AA batteries, batteries not included. Also has a built-in locking mechanism. If you have a loved one that has difficulty opening bottles, they struggle with hand strength, or maybe they have an issue where they shake a lot,